A stuck fuel gauge can be caused by several issues, such as a blown fuse, faulty grounding wire, or a malfunctioning sending unit. Understanding the root cause can save you from costly repairs. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix it yourself. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Turn the ignition on and off a few times, and observe if the needle on the fuel gauge moves. If the needle does not move, it most likely means you have a blown fuse and it is due for replacement. The fuse box can either be found on the driver's side dash or in the engine compartment. Refer to your car owner's manual to find out where your fuse box is located. Step 2. Test the grounding wire on the sending unit of the fuel tank. This is connected to your car's fuel tank. You can do this by attaching the negative jumper cable to the vehicle's frame, and the positive jumper cable to the sending unit's grounding terminal. When the fuel gauge is working when the jumper cables are connected, it means you need to replace the grounding wire on the sending unit. Step 3. Disconnect the wiring connected to the sending unit of the fuel gauge and then look at the fuel gauge. If the fuel gauge is now showing an empty reading, it means the fuel gauge is faulty and needs to be replaced. On the other hand, if your fuel gauge is showing a full reading, it means the sending unit is faulty and due for replacement. Step 4. Check to confirm that all of the wirings is securely connected to the back of the fuel gauge. To do this, you have to remove the dashboard to have access to the instrument cluster. Consult your car owner's manual as the process to do this varies from vehicle to vehicle. Also, check the fuel gauge's grounding wire by connecting the negative jumper cable to the car's frame and the positive cable to the grounding terminal of the fuel gauge. Turn the ignition on and check the fuel gauge if it is working or not. If it is working, then the grounding wire should be replaced. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.